The world of athletics is filled with the allure of shortcuts, with anabolic steroids occupying a prominent position. While the immediate benefits like rapid muscle growth might seem intriguing, their long-term side effects are not much thought about. A recent study has shed light on a previously unexplored facet of steroid use, uncovering a lasting impact that will be seen long after these substances have vanished from the body. This research delves into the myonuclei. These are the very essence of muscle growth and repair. The myonuclei are found within the muscle fibers and play a big role in dictating the muscle's capacity of growth and repair. The findings of this study reveal that steroid use leaves a big mark on the density of the myonuclei, even if the use of steroids is long discontinued. This discovery has profound implications, suggesting that the consequences of steroid use might linger for longer than initially thought. The study's findings challenge the conventional knowledge of steroid use, prompting a reassessment of long-term risks associated with these substances. This underscores the importance of informed decision-making when it comes to PEDs, not only thinking about the quick success and growth it gives you, but also thinking about the long-term effects it causes. To truly understand the significance of the study's findings, it's important to understand what myonuclei do for muscle growth. Myonuclei can also be seen as little architects which live in the muscle fiber. They are responsible for the production of new protein. Proteins are the building blocks of the muscles. They are essential for repair, maintenance, and growth. When stimulating the muscles, tiny tears occur. These tears will then need repairing. This is where the myonuclei start their process. They start the process of protein synthesis to repair the damage and grow the muscle's strength and size. The amount of myonuclei present in the muscles directly impacts its growth potential. A higher density means a higher capacity for protein synthesis, ultimately dictating the muscle's ability to recover and grow after activity. This is important to know as this study discovered that long after steroid use, it can still impact this fundamental aspect of muscle biology. This study was done to understand the lasting effect of steroid use on the myonuclei density in former steroid users. Researchers assembled a big group of participants with a history of steroid use. They carefully selected individuals that haven't used any steroids in a long time. This deliberate exclusion of active users was important to understand the long-term effects of steroids, ensuring that differences found would be caused by past use instead of ongoing use of steroids. To establish a baseline to compare to, they also recruited a group of individuals with no history of steroid use. This group was matched in age and activity levels to the other group. By choosing this approach, the researchers ensured that results were reliable. By comparing the myonuclei density between these groups, the researchers aimed to discover if past steroid use would cause long-term effects on muscle tissue. By doing this, they discovered a previously unknown facet of steroid use and its long-term effects. The findings of this study made the whole scientific community rethink, revealing that former steroid users, even after abstaining from them, had significantly higher myonuclei density than the group who never used steroids. This unexpected discovery challenged the already existing understanding that the effects of steroid use were largely reversible. The persistence of elevated myonuclei density in former steroid users shows that former users might still experience faster muscle growth in both strength and size. While the study didn't particularly look at both of these factors, the presence of the additional myonuclei suggests a higher capacity for protein synthesis. This finding starts a whole new series of questions. Does the higher myonuclei density caused by this translate to a permanent advantage to muscle growth and recovery? Could this former use also influence the response to training stimuli and susceptibility to injuries? These questions urge scientists to delve deeper into this matter. Because of this realization, athletes and individuals involved in physically demanding professions are given a complex dilemma. The enduring impact of steroid use on myonuclei density causes a long-lasting unfairness. This means that even long after you quit steroids, you are arguably still not natural. Because of this, the policies and regulations surrounding performance enhancement could be changed. With this information, it's even more important to consider the long-term effects of steroids, especially if you want to compete somewhere where steroid use is banned, as the rules of these competitions may be altered in the future. Find this study interesting? Drop a quick like and subscribe. Now let's move on with the study. While the study provides compelling evidence of the lasting impact of steroid use, it is important to remember that this is just one piece of a much larger puzzle. The human body is a tapestry of interconnected systems, and understanding the full effects of steroid use requires deeper research in all facets, not just myonuclei density. Further research is important as it's possible that steroids could also affect downstream of muscle function, metabolism, and overall health. One avenue of future investigation lies in exploring the interplay between myonuclei density and other cellular components within muscle tissue. For instance, how does the increased number of myonuclei affect the function of satellite cells, the muscle-resident stem cells responsible for repair and regeneration? Does this altered cellular environment influence the muscle's susceptibility to age-related decline or the development of muscle-related disorder? These unanswered questions underscore the need of a more comprehensive understanding of the long-term consequences of steroid use. It's also important to understand the possible variability in individuals' responses to steroids. Factors such as genetics, dosage, duration of use, and the specific type of steroids used might all contribute to the variation of myonuclei density. The study's findings not only show the lasting effect of steroid use, but also open up exciting new avenues for research in the field of muscle regeneration and repair. Understanding how myonuclei density can be manipulated, both positively and negatively, holds immense potential for developing therapeutic strategies for a wide range of conditions, from age-related muscle loss to muscular dystrophies. Imagine that with the knowledge gained from this study to develop interventions that promote myonuclei accretion in individuals struggling with muscle-wasting diseases. By boosting the muscle's capacity for protein synthesis and repair, such therapies can have a big impact on the lives of patients, improving their mobility, strength, and quality of life. Similarly, this knowledge could pave the way for developing strategies to mitigate the negative effects of myonuclei loss associated with aging, thus helping individuals maintain muscle mass and strength as they age. So when looking at this study, it reminds us to think about the long-term effects of anything related to your health. Quick fixes for the short term can have significant effects on your body and overall health. Longevity is a very important factor in your health and well-being. So while you're here, you might want to watch this video on longevity.